National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 107, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following: coastal waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles, including Gray's Reef National Marine Sanctuary. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Let's review the difference between... The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jackson County in Florida, east central Washington County in Florida, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Chipley, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mariana, Grand Ridge, Greenwood, Alfred, Kinesville, Ridgetop, Blue Spring, Union City, Steel City, Gilbert's Mill, Sig Creek, Star, Round Lake, Simsville, Cypress, Alliance, Chipola Terrace, Compass Lake, and Mariana Municipal Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Florida. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for Geneva County in southeastern Alabama, Houston County in southeastern Alabama, northwestern Jackson County in Florida, northwestern Walton County in Florida, Holmes County in Florida, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 4 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cottonwood, Geneva, Graceville, Downton, Defuniak Springs, Hartford, Taylor, Ashford, Slocum, Sampson, Cowards, Webb, Eglin Air Force Base, Union, Liberty, Malvern, Rehoboth, Paxton, Avon, and Esto. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Holmes and Walton. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Jackson County in Florida, east central Washington County in Florida, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:57 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vernon, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Jackson and east central Washington counties, including the following locations: Orange Hill, Kinesville, Ridgetop, Bradford, Alfred, Steel City, Gilbert's Mill, Round Lake, Cottondale Airport, and Spring Hollow. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Florida.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Coffee County, effective until 12 o'clock p.m.
What in the world was that?
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jackson County in Florida, northeastern Calhoun County in Florida, northwestern Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, southwestern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, southeastern Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, until noon Eastern Daylight Time, or 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles southeast of Marietta and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chattahoochee, Sneads, Grand Ridge, Alpha, Brinson, Seminole State Park, Desser, Reynoldsville, PCC, Mount Pleasant, Hardin Heights, Rosedale, Recovery, Faceville, Drakesville, Zinc, Stars, Cypress, Alliance, and Fairchild. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rain flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Georgia, Decatur, and Seminole.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Atkinson County, effective until 12:24 p.m.
Everybody was streaming it.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Walton County in Florida, western Holmes County in Florida, central Washington County in Florida, until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Crestview, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vernon, Defuniak Springs, Eglin Air Force Base, Union, Liberty, Live Oak, Ponce de Leon, Caryville, Westville, Tinson's Crossroads, Pond Creek, Oakwood Hills, Cluster Springs, Whitehead Crossroads, Alpine Heights, Cerro Gordo, Whitney, Arab Settlement, Defuniak Spring Airport, and Rock Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Holmes, Walton, and Washington.